Afternoon, folks. Brian here. It's evening, I guess. Geomagnetic Earth Watch. Thursday, June 26, 2025. This is a heat report for my backyard, right next to one of our local volcanoes, Mount Boucherie. This is the Okanagan, southern British Columbia. This is Mount Boucherie Volcano. And we're showing a heat anomaly. This is from Landsat. So from Landsat, this is a more minute detection within 30 meters. And Landsat will pick up either 1, small diameter fires, 2, gas flares, or 3, the presence of magma. So I just came down there actually, and no fires, certainly no industry. So first of all, let's go to Google. I'll show you where it is. Before I do, so every once in a while around the Mount Boucherie volcanic complex, they'll pick up some heat detections. Normally it is in this area here, but I have been down to this area and so forth. So once again, southern British Columbia, Okanagan. Our detection point is in a mobile home park. And I just came from there. So somewhere in this unit here, underneath. Our local high school is actually directly at the base. Of the volcano. And our heat detection point is just on the other side of this fence in the mobile home park. So I get in my truck, more for the process of elimination, but since it's really close, I like to go down and snoop around. So, that up ahead is Mount Boucherie Volcano. Well, this is a trailer park. We're just a few hundred feet from the base of the volcano. In fact, there's the volcano. And it is here. Now I know I'm not going to find anything. I'm just going through the process of elimination. Okay. Okay, folks, that's just one example. Mount Boucherie Volcanic Complex. Every once in a while, it's going to show some heat detections. Now, the specific satellite that picks up these detections is a more of a fine newt measurement within 90 meters, specifically for one, small diameter fires, or two, gas flares, flare stacks from refineries, which of course there's no refineries here, or three, the indications of magma below. This being a volcanic area, you can take your choice. This is the first time, however, it's been that close to Mount Boucherie. There's a few other points that I've been to within 1 kilometer or less from the volcano. Now, I knew I wasn't going to find anything, so this is more of a process of elimination, just to make sure there wasn't a fire, obviously. And something definitely to keep an eye on. That is all. Stand easy, at ease, until later on this evening. Oh, and by the way, the devastating fires here of 2023. Same heat detections around the perimeter of the volcano as well. So I'm not necessarily concerned about an immediate eruption yet, but it's always in the back of my mind. That's why one of the many things I have to do on my checklist is make sure my travel trailer is loaded up, stocked up, ready to go. It's too bad my wife doesn't listen to me. It's too bad. Anyway, we'll be back later on tonight, folks.